How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel and my video review of the JJRC X1 quadcopter with the brushless motor, also known as the SHUTTLE X1. It comes in green or blue, and it has the 2280 kV brushless motor, and it has a 7.4 volt 1300 milliamp battery. The flight time on it is around 15 minutes with a charge time of 90 minutes, and the control distance is 300 to 400 meters. The remote control takes 4 AA batteries, and it has 3 speeds. This is the speed button here. These buttons in the back are Fox buttons. This normally it would be the flip button, but the description in the manual does not specify any function for this, so we'll find out. This button up here is the photo and video button, and trim button here, trim button here, trim button here. This button is a idle trim button, which has 5 settings. We'll find out what that does later. And this button here in the description says extended. I don't know what that means, so we'll find out. Okay, let's plug in the power. The wires are pretty squished in there, so let's hook that up, shove everything in there. All right, now let's turn on the transmitter. There you go, it's ready. Both sticks to the bottom right. We'll calibrate the accelerometer, so we'll do that first. I think that's done. Now to unlock the motors, both sticks to the bottom outwards, and in order to start idling, the throttle sticks to the bottom right, left, and right. Will automatically start idling at speed number 2, I believe. So this is the idle control button. If you leave it unattended for 10 seconds, the motors will automatically shut off. That's by default, so we're gonna have to re-unlock the motors and do the idle thingy again. Now I'll lift up the idle just a little bit so it'll stop doing the stop cutoff. So we'll go to the highest idling speed. As you can see, the idle goes up every time the click. 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way to the bottom we'll cut the motors off. All right, and at which point you'll have to re-unlock the motors and redo the idle, and you're ready to go. So we are starting off at number 3, so let's check it out. Alright, there's the yaw on low. It's a nice smooth speed. Let's go to speed number 2, medium rate. There's the yaw on medium rate. The yaw control has a slight delay, I notice right away. So let's try that again. I'll let go, but it continues, and when I initiate it, it takes a little while for it to start. Okay, let's go to high rate yaw. A little bit unstable there, but that's the yaw speed. Let's go back down to low. That's the pitch on low. Oh, this is the pitch, that was the roll. Let's go to medium. Here's the roll, pitch. Okay, let's go to high. The roll on high. Wow, pretty good. And the pitch. Wow. Okay, let's take a little roaming around on low rates. Nice and smooth on low rates. Even a beginner can fly this, but this quadcopter is not for beginners. It's got that brushless motor and it is very powerful. Let's go to medium. Whoa, The yaw is kind of overcompensating, and it has a little delay, as you can see there. Okay, let's go to high. Ho ho ho. Yeah, the yaw definitely has some kind of a delay. As you can see, it kind of makes it wobble every time I'm trying to make a turn here. So I'm gently pushing the yaw, and yet it does the same. Let's go back down to medium, where it's a little bit less wobble, and yet very speedy. It's nice to fly on the medium rates. Wow. Okay, let's see what the flip button does. Nope, this button doesn't do anything. Nope, so it's no functioning button, alright. So let's see what this extended button does. Nope,